Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to manage property in GTA V Story mode. Many players wonder if they can sell their purchased properties for cash, but the straightforward answer is no. Unlike some other games, Grand Theft Auto V's single-player story mode does not allow you to directly sell any of your owned assets. Once a property is bought, it becomes a permanent part of your character's portfolio. Understanding property ownership is key. Each property you acquire, such as the downtown Cabco, for Franklin, provides a steady weekly income, which can be $2,000. Beyond money, certain properties unlock exclusive side missions or offer special benefits, like free vehicle customization at Los Santos Customs. These assets are designed to enhance your gameplay and financial standing over time. It's important to clarify a common misconception. The ability to trade in properties for a partial refund is a feature predominantly found in Grand Theft Auto Online. In the single-player story mode, there is no mechanism to swap a high-value property for a cheaper one to receive the difference in cash. Your investments are fixed, so choose wisely when purchasing. Since selling isn't an option, focus on maximizing your property's value. Regularly completing property management missions can significantly increase their weekly payouts. Strategic investments, like the Los Santos Golf Club for $150 million, can generate substantial passive income. Use these earnings to fund vehicle upgrades, weapon purchases, or other lucrative opportunities throughout Los Santos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.